What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Hope you're doing well. Hope things are going well for you. Well, guys, in today's video, I recently found something on Amazon, and it's an awesome way to get razor sharp mower blades and get it really easily. Having sharp mower blades is super important. Having those sharp blades will help reduce the water loss, the evaporation or evapotranspiration of your grass. It'll also reduce the amount of fungus potential or even some insect damage as well. Cannot stress the importance of razor sharp blades, and I'm gonna show you something that I found to help me do that. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all, welcome inside where it's warm. It is 20 degrees outside today, so I'm so glad to be inside filming this video for you guys. So thank you so much for checking it out. So I went on Amazon and found, I think it's called the SporGain angle grinder attachment. It comes from Amazon, and I'll leave links down below where you can find that. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a kickback if you do choose to use that. So another great way to support the channel. So thank you so much. So you do have to have a angle grinder with I have a 60 grit flap disc on here. And if you don't know what a flap disc is, it's just little pieces of sandpaper that are glued to a disc. And then that's what actually does the sanding. So you do have to have one of these, but it comes with several different attachments to make sure that it fits, whether you use right or left-handed. I think that's pretty cool that you can do that. But it's called the SporGain Angle Grinder Blade Sharpener. And I will tell you, the directions that it comes with are really nice, very detailed, colored on really nice paper. Here, I'll bring you guys in. I did decide to mount mine to the table here. So I pilot drilled some holes, and then I mounted this. If you had a vise or something, maybe you want to mount this to a block and then put this on a vise where it's less of a permanent option. But for me, this fits well. This fits really well. So let me set this up and kind of show you what it looks like. All right, so here's the little pivot arm. All right, so what you do is you take your, again, all the instructions are on that sheet of paper, and it's really simple to install. But it has a little attachment that you put on your angle grinder, and your angle grinder goes, just slides in that hole. And basically what it does is it makes it to where you have an exact angle for sharpening your mower blades. So whether you have high lift blades or mulching blades, it will work for all of those. Let me get a blade and show you what that looks like. So here we've got a mower blade, and you just simply mount it right in here. Twist this on really tight, and it holds the blade right in place. I went ahead and preset the angle to 30 degrees. You can set it anywhere from 45 to 15. My recommendation is 30. That's a good balance of keeping the blade sharp with not being so sharp that it could dull really easily. So I set it on 30. We'll hook up our angle grinder in here just like this. The hardest part is making sure that you get the angle of the blade the same, and so that you get a really sharp blade. So because this is all fixed, there's no way I can change the angle of that blade to make sure that it stays really sharp. So I'll kind of demonstrate for you guys how this works. And that's it. All right, so we come in here, look, and that is, I mean, I've already sharpened these because I was playing around with it earlier, but I mean, that is razor sharp. So then what we can do, loosen this back up. Tighten it down, put it back on, and do the other side. So when it comes to sharpening your mower blades, yes, we want a sharp blade, but it's also really important that we balance our blade. We want to make sure that we're taking off the same amount of material on each side of the blade. So I also bought this. Here, let me show you this too. And I'll leave a link to this as well. But you simply just put your blade right in here. And that's what we're looking for. You can see how the blade is perfectly level. Okay, so if it was leaning, if the blade was leaning this way, that would mean that this side over here is heavier. So I need to continue to shave material off of this side. Having a balanced blade is important because it'll, reduce the opportunity for it to damage your bearings and that kind of thing in your blade. But this is an awesome thing to have for any DIYer. I don't know, I think a shop probably charges you $10 or $15 maybe to sharpen your blades, a local shop. But now you can do it on your own. Something that I do is I keep 2 sets of blades. I keep one off the mower sharp, and then I have another set on the actual mower, so that when I need to change out my blades, all I have to do is take that set off, put on the sharp ones, and then take those, sharpen them, and then I put them back in my tool chest for whenever I am going to, have to need them for the next time. All right, so that just about does it. Again, super easy to do. With the fact that this is on a pivoting arm like this, and it just makes it so easy, you really can't, you can't mess it up. Keep your blade sharp. Have a great looking lawn. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell icon so you don't miss whenever I make another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY.